Probiotic fermented foods: kimchi, yogurt, miso, tempeh, sauerkraut. These are also known as PFFs. So these foods are beneficial because it contains live microorganism. It could be lactic acid bacteria, and under the microscope, it has a gram-positive reaction or has a color blue or purple. So these foods are processed through fermentation, and these foods gain attention because it can help your body to be healthy. First, it is promising because PFFs can improve the health of human. Many studies show that beneficial bacteria found in fermented foods can help maintain balance in the digestive system and support overall wellness. And as a result, these are being used as natural alternatives to support health and prevent certain illnesses. Second, it is inexpensive and accessible. So the fermented foods that are stated are examples that can be produced using simple ingredients and traditional methods. So in many households, this fermentation can be done at home using vegetables, milk, or grains. And these probiotic foods are affordable for many people. Third, it can boost immune system. So the gut plays an important role in immunity, and beneficial bacteria help strengthen the body's defense mechanism. By maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, probiotics can improve the body's ability to fight infections. Fourth, they can fight harmful pathogens. So pathogens are harmful bacteria, and beneficial bacteria will compete with those pathogens for nutrients and space in the gut. Some probiotics produces antimicrobial resistance that could stop the growth of pathogen. Lastly, it can restore your gut flora. So there are factors like antibiotics, poor diet, and illness can disrupt the natural balance of gut microorganisms. So by consuming these PFFs, we can replenish the beneficial bacteria and your gut microflora. And then you will have a balance in the digestive system. So in conclusion, probiotic fermented foods are affordable, promising, and beneficial to health. And they can boost the immune system, help fight pathogens, and restore healthy gut flora, and making them as important part of a balanced diet. That's all. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.